Hello students, let us new topic surface area and volume chapter 13 NCERT exemplar book. Main concept and results: cuboid whose length L, breadth B and height H. Volume of cuboid equal to L into B into H. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL bracket close. Lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2H bracket L plus B. Diagonal of a cuboid equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. Cube whose edge A. Volume of a cube equal to A cube. Side multiply side. Lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square. Total surface area of cube is 6a square, 6 side square. Diagonal of a cube is equal to root 3a. Diagonal of a cube is root 3a. Slender whose radius r and height h. Volume of slender equal to pi r square h. Curved surface area of slender equal to 2 pi r h. Total surface area of slender equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Cone having height h and radius r and slant height l. Volume of cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area of cone equal to pi r l. Now next, total surface area of cone equal to pi r bracket L plus r. Slant height of cone L equal to root of h square plus r square. Sphere whose radius r. Volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Hemisphere whose radius r. Volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Write these formula in your fair notebook. Surface area and volume. Write main concept and result. Now multiple choice question number first. Write the correct answer. Sample question number 1. In a cylinder, if radius is half and height is double, the volume will be. According to your given condition, this is your cylinder, height is h, radius is r, and according to your question, new cylinder, radius is half, so we write r upon 2. Radius of this cylinder r and half of this radius r upon 2, so we write r upon 2. Height is h, according to question, height of this cylinder is double, so we write 2h. Double of h is 2h. Half of r is r upon 2. Volume of given cylinder, this is your given cylinder, pi r square h. Volume of new cylinder equal to pi r square h. Pi, value of r is r upon 2, so we write r upon 2, radius square, into h. H is 2h, so we write 2h. Pi upon 4 r square into 2h. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So we write pi upon 2 r square h. Value of pi r square h is volume of given cylinder. So we write in place of pi r square is volume of given cylinder. Half multiply volume of given cylinder. Volume of given cylinder is pi r square h. So we write in place of pi r square h that is volume of given cylinder. According to your question, volume of new cylinder is equal to half volume of given cylinder. According to your question, radius is half, height is double, the volume will be same, double, half, 4 times. Volume will be half. So we get volume will be half. Half means 1/2. Hence option C is correct. Hence option C is correct. So we write hence option C is correct. Now question number 1 of exercise 13.1. Write the correct answer in each of the following. If radius of a sphere is 2r, then its volume will be. Now, let radius r equal to 2r. Volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi radius cube. Pi 4/3 pi radius cube. Radius is 2r. So we write 4/3 pi 2r whole cube. 2r whole cube. 2r whole cube. Value of 2r whole cube is 8r cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8r cube. Now we write 8 4 ja 32 upon 3 pi r cube. 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 Hence option D is correct. Hence option D is correct. Hence option D is correct. Now question number 2. If total area of a cube is 96 centimeter square, the volume of the cube is given total surface area of cube is equal to 6 sides square. This is the formula of total surface area of cube. And given total surface area of cube is 96. Given total surface area of cube is 96. So we write 96 is equal to 6 sides square. This is your given volume of total surface area of cube. And this is the formula of total surface area of cube. So we write both value equal. Side square equal to 96 upon 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36. Side square equal to 16. 16 can write 4 into 4. 4 into 4 means 4 square. So side is equal to 4 centimeter. Side is equal to root of 16, that is 4 centimeter. Volume of cube, formula of volume of cube is side cube. Side cube means A cube. A is 4. So we write 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64. 64 centimeter cube. Volume of cube is 64 centimeter cube. Now we find volume of the cube 64 centimeter cube. 64 centimeter cube. 64 centimeter cube. Hence option C is correct. Hence option C is correct. The total surface area of cube is 96 centimeter square. The volume of the cube is 64 centimeter cube. Hence option C is correct. This is your required answer. Do exercise 13.1 in your fair notebook. Thank you.